Hello there, welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. In this video we are going to talk about AutoCAD elements visibility. In a scenario where you have lots of reinforcements, you may want to hide some for better visibility. You can do that by using this little light bulb icon down here. When you click on it, you will have a new window next to the main AutoCAD control panel. And here, as you can see, we have different element groups created by the element assign command, this one. And as you can see, inside every group, we have every concrete building part listed with its respective name. Now, for this list to be this organized, you must know how to use the element assign command very well. Please check our previous tutorial on this topic. On the element visibility list here, you can notice these little light bulb icons, just like the ones in the AutoCAD layer menus. Now they work the same, so if you click on one of them, they get a hidden status. Also, you can see here what kind of bars does this one single element contain. Now, if you turn some of these off, you just need to click on the execute button for the changes to take effect. See? All these columns got a hidden status. Now they are not visible anymore. Of course, you can bring them back by doing the same, just in the reverse. So if you want, you can disable all of these, all the slabs, the beams and the columns, and now you get a cleaner screen, and you can focus only on the one you are working with. For example, I want to work with just column 1, and now I can see only this one. Or if you want to see the whole picture, you can turn everything back on, click on execute, and now you have everything visible. So this was a quick tip on elements visibility. I hope this was helpful for you. I wish you a great day, and thanks for watching.